What is acid wash? Acid wash is a technique used to change the look, feel, and fashion of denim garments. It involves soaking pumice stones in industrial-strength chlorine or potassium permanganate, which then erode the surface of the denim, creating a distressed look. Materials required: hydrochloric acid, bleach, water, denim jeans, plastic bucket, rubber gloves, eye protection. Step-by-step process. Dilute the hydrochloric acid. Wet the concrete. Apply the acid solution. Scrub the denim jeans with a pumice stone. Rinse the jeans thoroughly with water. Neutralize the acid with a solution of sodium bicarbonate. Dry the jeans. Effects on denim jeans. The acid wash process results in fading and distressing. The acid removes the indigo dye from the denim, creating a faded and distressed look. Softening of the fabric. The acid breaks down the fibers of the denim, making the fabric softer. Potential shrinkage. The acid can cause the denim to shrink, so it is important to test the process on a small area of the jeans before applying it to the entire garment. Acid wash on denim jeans creates a remarkable contrast and attractive color appearance. It is a popular technique that can be used to give denim jeans a unique and stylish look.